I was thinking I would start by saying, what if I told you blah 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 dee da da
Blah, blah, blah.
instead I'll just say fuck you. I don't want your handouts because you only want to see me with my handout.
Fuck them.
I'll make it on my own. I had a good idea. Damn, I had a really good idea.
Must be good.
I figured I will demonstrate how it is done.
Show them.
How to start with nothing but to end up with what I wanted. I will bring change. Not change of who we should be, but a change that we can see.
I hear that.
It's already in us. That is what we are failing to understand. That is why we keep cooling and sipping, even though it is already dripping through our veins like the coffee we have flowing out of the espresso machine. Drip, drop, it goes.
It goes.
You don't want it to stop. I know you like the build up, that drive to do more, so exhilarating. But it's always been there. It's nothing new. You had just forgotten who we are. Sit down. Listen. Let's remember. There's a simple fact that we overlooked. Be yourself, not the people. You're a human being. Being. You are an individual. You have nothing more than the other man, and the other man has nothing more than you.
Right.
Embark on the journey of choice, not another man's.
Mm-mm.
My name is Rayman Kelly. I am as low as I've ever been, but I am willing to be higher than any other.
I hear that.
Look to no limit and fuck the sky while you're at it.
Fuck it.
What do you think about originality? I've heard quality is better than quantity,
So they
or is
say.
people scared of that? It is lonely being yourself.
I know.
No one to understand why you do it until you do it.
I know.
That speaks for itself.
Sad.